Hello everybody and welcome back to another Stand Can tutorial. So, welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to make Dotty the Duck. This is a 7-part playlist which will basically teach you step-by-step on how to make your Dotty the Duck. Today's video, we're just going to be unboxing Dotty the Duck and seeing what you get inside. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to just start by undoing the box. And look, it is already full to the brim of everything you get. So let's go through it. You start by getting your gold yarn. This is to do the feet and the nose. So that is your gold. Then you get your pack of toy stuffing. You then get your pattern booklet with a stitch marker, 2 crochet hooks, and also your 2 different colour thread, as well as your pattern booklet as well. And then you get 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. There we go. If I just undo these balls of yarn, this is the Hello Love yarn in the shade white. Let me just undo both of these balls. So there is your Hello Love yarn. This is everything you get in your crochet kits. So with that in mind, let's get started with today's tutorial.